Is up, human peoples? It is Reckless Riley and Thomas, aka Blurry Harp, and we are going to play Toilet on Flushing. As we said last week, we will be shoving Thomas down a toilet, and we always keep our promises. And as we are, this is the map that we will do it on. We will start the map now, and these little stragglers will fail because they were changing their teams. Now, to everyone here, make sure that you keep your Mexicans locked up, because there has been a haunted taco incident. Please keep all tacos and Mexicans on your premises in good eyes.
You know, half of your viewers could be Mexican.
Action sack.
If you are Mexican, then just look out for Americans. They're gonna be
Oh, what's going on?
Oh crap. Look at all this seagull poo.
Gross. Oh!
There's so much seagull poo.
The guy beside me just died.
Look at all these soccer balls.
Oh.
They're human turds.
I'm stuck under a freaking soccer balls.
Well, you're stuck underneath the turd now, and there's only 2 people surviving. The red guy. Well, at least you guys get a respawn actually. Alright. Did that guy get stuck? He almost got stuck there for a second. Wow.
Ah! I got flushed.
Flushed away. Wahoo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, Dovekin. What's up?
Oh, you almost went right there.
So many seagulls. This must be like a park drain. So much seagull poo.
Oh, you almost won.
Whoa. 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 This is so hard to set up. Darth Human. Hey. Nice.
1 minute remaining.
Whoa, 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 my phone. I'm free. Yeah. Yeah. Free falling.
Oh gosh, try to get out of there. Oh, Riley, don't die. Don't die. Yes, Riley, yes. I think you just won. Did you win? Oh no, this guy's not dead. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, damn. Oh, Riley, did you get stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you didn't. You're good. Good, you got this. You're a good player.
Yeah, he just scored a point for our team.
How do you score a point?
He scored a point for the wrong team. Yeah, he's 2 points now. He's on red team and he scored a point for blue team. Epic.
10 seconds remaining.
Oh, this game's awesome.
Ow. Dude, I threw a grenade at you and a passing golf ball hit it and knocked it down. It was like you hit a basketball. Oh, stopped. You got served.
Action.
Action sack.
It's either this is seagull poo or is it sperm?
Oh
gosh.
We're getting into a bit more mature subjects now.
Big ball of sperm. Oh gosh. Oh wait, that's just seagull poo. Never mind.
Oh wow, I'm already stuck.
I'll make it for us, Riley.
Right below your bum. No wonder there's so much of this white stuff. You're a seagull. You've been with too many people.
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. What the
Oh,
heck?
did someone quit?
I hate the black screen of doom, and I'm not trying to be racist. Elevator music.
Go back to the elevator music. Go back to the elevator music. Riley!
I'm dead. Tell my mother she's out of cookies.
Oh gosh, I didn't even notice they were coming down again.
I am looking up some elevator music. Oh yeah. Epic. Oh, right there.
Oh, I think I just won. If you guys stuck.
Well, as long as you don't get stuck. I'll try not to get you not be stuck. Get up there!
Where is it?
Do the chopper!
I won.
Do the
Don't
chopper!
Dude, I won.
Have you made it to the top?
No, but there's nobody else alive.
Hey.
1 minute remaining.
Why can't I blow those things up? I'm going up. Do the chopper! Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoever, oh yes, Riley, I think you just free me. Yes, 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 yes.
Get up! Get up! Get up!
Yes. Oh, there's too many grenades, I can't. Ah!
You do this!
What?
No, wrong one. Where's the blue one? That one. Point scored! Yeah! No!
Riley!
Sorry. No! 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 Why is it? Oh well.
10 seconds remaining. Round.
Yeah, that was good. There was a man bear pig in there. Yeah.
Action sack.
I find it really creepy that it's called Action Sack.
Oh, it's so complete. Oh, it comes down so fast.
So much burp. No, but look, it's black and white. It's like the most racist poo you'll ever see.
Actually, it's just white and black, so it's all good.
No! Help me!
Riley, did you die?
Google hates me! I was looking up too much elevator music. Why?
Riley, no, I'll get you out of there.
You. Yeah.
I'm trying to push the guy off. Get off
I'm
here.
crouching on a golf ball. Yeah, let's make it up. Yeah. Crap. Hey, what do you think y'all doing? What do you think y'all doing? Hey, dude, get up.
Jumping! No! 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 Yes!
Hey, what you did there, dude? Hey, hey, What you doing?
Oh, one Greek guy might not make it. Yes, yes. Stay down, stay down. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you see that one Greek guy? He was at the top, but he didn't make it.
I know, that's so
Oh, that
so
little
bad.
turban, he survived. He survived. Oh, no, he didn't. Never mind.
And it goes like this. Hello, Tommy.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead.
No, I'll throw a grenade.
30 seconds.
Oh, we're both dead, though. It's all good.
No, I'm throwing grenades to
Oh,
get you out.
yes, I got him.
Get up,
Yes.
into the right one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bros win. Epic. My grenade
10
got me
seconds
out.
remaining.
I'm taking all this credit.
Thank you. Riley, I was actually stuck. Grenades were actually stuck.
Yeah.
Round over.
We did it. Yeah, yeah. Heck yeah. Just one more round. Expert bat is a bum.
This one green guy, he was at the top, and he tried to keep jumping up, but I was standing where he wanted to jump, and I kept meeting him back down.
You're so mean.
You're not allowed up here, little fat boy.
Okay. Dude, next time we record, it's gonna be Friday.
No, don't get me stuck.
Why must you be stuck, my friend?
Are you dead?
No, I'm up.
Okay, good.
We'd both been dead. That would kind of suck.
I know. But we're winning by 4 points.
Whenever I die, you live. Whenever you live, I die. It's kind of weird that way.
I'm not gonna let them kill me. I'm not gonna let them fall down that toilet. Nope.
What?
No. Oh.
No! You killed my brother! I will
Die.
kill you!
Die.
Die. Oh my goodness, he's stuck in the ground. Oh my goodness, don't think it was either AFK or stuck in the ground, because I just sat on him. I crouched on him, you know, and he didn't move. He couldn't move or something.
Oh, one of the green guys is stuck.
That's good. Are both? Because I can't see either.
No, there's one. There's one up there.
Where's the other one? Oh, there he is. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
I'm trying to knock that
Cool
green
you
guy
got.
off.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
One minute remaining.
Epic Meal Mix tunes! What's with all these grenades? They're killing me.
Oh,
Quiet. Why are you always such a shy one?
Oh my, he's almost dead. Yes, he's dead. He's dead. Oh, perfect.
I'm dead.
Okay, grenades on there.
I need more grenades.
Dude, you're on the other side.
I need more grenades.
You're both dead. It's okay. It's okay.
Well, at least we're...
Like,
If I die, you die with me! Okay, mine. Dude, if you could get caught in the side of those what you call them? Golf balls or
Yeah.
seagull poop, and then when the barrier that stopped them exploded, you jumped up and got in the goal. That'd be the most epic thing ever.
Yeah, just wait for the bear to drop and then jump up.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. But thanks for watching MadMapsFTW. We told you that we would shove Thomas's head in the toilet, and so we did. So we will see you guys later, and as our lobby depletes, so does our happiness as we end this episode without you guys here. So goodbye.